through the cultivation with others, one will begin to do what one once couldn't. And it looks like there's a part that's been redacted. At these meetings, we will implement our different beliefs, different faiths, beliefs, and ideals into a single course of action with common purpose. This action will consist of, but not limited to, the walkthroughs on establishing the programs and services that our communities need to survive and represent their creative talents positively. This is a religious corporation, and it was $25 to $35 to start, and we'll move on from there. And we are, the Cognoscenti Assembly is excited to announce that we are users of the actual aid kits. We'll actually put them in the video for you, but right now the power of them is malfunctioning and it can't be shown on the video, but it's the actual aid bags. You've seen a glimpse of it right there. You could go to actualsolutionsinc.com to check the rest out. We're going to be for advancement of religion. This is Cognoscenti, the religious corporation, so this particular presentation will focus on the advancement of religion. Just a quick message into what one believes. It goes with, the space in between when you fall asleep into dreaming, the nothingness that conspires in that moment, and the changes that go from that. I can't get into too much detail about it right now, depending on what's asked of me, and also for me to bounce it off of live beings. And so it's either nothing or nothing that we can have 100% control over, but we definitely have a little portion due to our awareness, and we'll be able to set that as much as you can, but really you just end up with whatever reality or physics come with that particular existence. Apologize for these mannerisms and low voice, but it's a lot to draw the courage and the ability to want to do this without knowing anything much other than certain experiences that I want to share with you, and certain facts that were found. So it's not really up for a lot of discussion. As soon as you put your attention and action to it. The camera will not let me appropriately show you. But the eligible organizations to help with really providing things for a certain group, and also leading it to the people of the market. It's run on money, so but you can also control how much it is, So eligible organizations include national and international organizations. Eligible organizations include for-profit, non-profit, public, and private organizations such as universities and colleges, including historically black colleges and universities and minority institutions, hospitals, laboratories, and companies. So the inclusion is there.